Hello and welcome to this video on the importance of having a financial plan and setting financial goals. In this video, we will explore why having a financial plan and setting goals is crucial to achieving financial stability and success. A financial plan is important because it helps you identify your financial properties, set achievable goals, and create a roadmap to reach those goals. Without a financial plan, it can be easy to get off track, miss opportunities to reach your financial goals, and potentially impact other life goals that you have. Setting financial goals is important because it gives you a clear target to work towards. It also helps you prioritize your spending and saving, so you can make the most of your resources and reach your goals more quickly. Financial goals can be short-term, such as saving for an emergency fund, or long-term, such as saving for retirement. To create a financial plan and set financial goals, start by determining your current financial situation and identifying your financial priorities. Then, set realistic and achievable goals and create a budget that supports those goals. It's also important to regularly review and adjust your financial plan to ensure that you are on track to reach your goals. In conclusion, having a financial plan and setting financial goals is an essential step to achieving financial stability and success. By taking the time to create a plan and set realistic goals, you can stay on track and reach your financial aspirations. When doing this, it can be fun to play around with compound interest calculators and investing games that can all be found for free in any app store. Any purchases will help in funding this channel, which is always appreciated. Feel free to comment in the description if you are interested in learning about other ways you can help financially support this channel, as it will help us in continuing to bring you more great content in the future. Thank you for watching this video on the importance of having a financial plan and setting financial goals. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. We'll see you in the next video.